Hello kids! Welcome to Funland Library. Today we are going to learn amazing E-family words. Are you ready? Say yeah! Let's clap together. E says eh, eh, eh. Do you know what is an E-family words? When the letter E comes in the middle of a word, it makes the sound eh. Listen carefully. B-ed, bed. P-et, pet. Hen, hen. Great job, kids. Let's learn more. First comes E-T family. Now let's read the words. P plus et equals pet. J plus et equals jet. N plus et equals net. W plus et equals wet. Amazing job, kids! Now let's learn E-N family. Repeat after me. H plus N equals hen. P plus N equals pen. T plus N equals 10. M plus N equals men. You are super smart. Next comes E-D family. Let's read together. B plus ed equals bed. R plus ed equals red. SL plus ed equals sled. W plus ed equals wed. Fantastic reading, kids! Now let's try E-G family. E-G plus G equals egg. L plus E-G equals leg. K plus E-G equals keg. Wonderful! Now let's play a game. I will say the letters, you say the word. P plus et equals, yes, pet. H plus N equals hen. B plus ed equals bed. You are all doing amazing. Today we learned E-T family words, E-N family words, E-D family words, E-G family words. Practice these words every day and become a reading superstar. Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next fun learning video.